specific symbols in the sequences. There are specific symbols which are used to show or to mention the changes at DNA, RNA or protein level. At DNA level, if there is a change, if there is a substitution between one nucleotide to another nucleotide, it is mentioned by this symbol. So if there is a change at position 76, A is changed, A is substituted by T. If there is a substitution, then it is represented by this symbol. While writing, if there is deletion of one or more than one nucleotides, then how we have to write that deletion? That is usually mentioned with underscore. That if we see in this diagram, if there is deletion of 3 nucleotides A, C and T, it will be mentioned as C dot 76 is the first nucleotide, that is actually A, this is 76 and this is 78. So it will be written as C dot underscore 78. Del is the abbreviation for deletion. Deletion of 3 nucleotides which are A, C and T. So there are 3 nucleotides that have been deleted. If we have to write that how deleted nucleotides to mention, it will be C dot 76 underscore 78 del and those nucleotides which have been deleted. In this case they are ACT. Del indicates the deletion. If there is deletion of a single nucleotide, then just to write del A. In this case C dot 76 is the position of adenine. Adenine which was present at 76 position has been deleted. So we will write C dot 76 del and A for adenine. Duplication represents that if there is duplication of any nucleotide, so that is written as C dot 76 DUP. If there is duplication, then DUP and A means at position of 76 there is duplication of A. In case of insertions, if there is insertion, it is also written in the same way, that C dot 76 underscore 77 INS and G. INS and G. So the meaning is that C for the coding, there is insertion between nucleotide 76 and 77. Between 76 and 77 there is a insertion of a nucleotide, that is G. So G is inserted between 2 nucleotides and the number of those nucleotides are 76 and 77. In case of inversion, it is also written on the same pattern by writing INV. So C dot 76 underscore 83 INV. INV is the abbreviation for inversion. So those nucleotides which are present between 76 to 83, they have been inverted. If they are on one orientation, they got the other orientation. So if there is a change in the orientation, they are written as inversion, and inversion is written by writing INV. All these are the patterns by which we can write the sequence variants or the allelic variants either at DNA level, RNA level, protein level or at RNA level.